Hello, little artists! Today we are going to learn how to draw a 3D staircase. Easy and fun. So grab your paper and markers and let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big hexagon shape. Great job! This will be the base of our 3D drawing. Now, inside the hexagon, draw a rectangle for the inside wall of the stair. Now draw two parallel zigzag lines going upward. Awesome! Now connect the edges of these zigzag lines using small horizontal lines. Wow, look at that! This is our 3D staircase. Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. We will use beautiful rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. Maroon color. Paste color. Mustard yellow color. Orange red color. Light green color.
La da 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 dee.
Deep pink color. Wow, so colorful and bright. Awesome work, little artists. You did an amazing job today. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.